Alright, this Hustle Man Mike, right? I'm gonna go into the hidden signs in the Bible. Not the Bible, I already done all that. We're gonna go to hidden signs on the back of the dollar bill. And I'm gonna show you this image right here. This is what happens when I combine the left side, this seal, with this one. You see how this eye is? It sort of has a face. See the nose? There's the eye. And then, you know, the other features. Just look real close. Back. Eye, nose. Like he's turned in this direction. Sort of like a mouth. And this is from combining the seals. I just copied it on Word 2012 and just placed it over there before it's setting it. And this is the image that it gives. This is it again. I did it a little lower. Then I went up a little experiment and it comes out to a little face. There it is without anything. See, now it looks more clearly without a nose. See the little beard, face. This is how the Sumerian gods be sort of pictured. But notice where the opening is. Let's just go to some more. Here's my daughter. Now, here I woke up 3 o'clock in the middle of the night, right? And I took a $2 bill and I took a $2 bill, and for some reason I decided to hold it up to a light. I got this doggone. Hold on 1 second. Okay, now I don't want to auto rotate. Anyway, we can look at this image. When you take a $2 bill and you invert the coloring on it, this is what it looks like. There's sort of a cross upside down. There's sort of like this image right here, but there's this face. There's this face. See how there's like an eye? There's an eye. There's the eyebrow. There's the nose. There's the mouth. Can't really see it real clear. There you go. See? Eye. Circle. Eyebrow. Nose. Mouth. Let's look at another picture. There it is right there again. This is without inverting it. This is John Adams. Quincy John Adams, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Now, I'm going to show you some other hidden symbols on the back of the dollar bill right here. Now, the Masonics, one of their numbers is 13, right? And on the back of the dollar bill, around this is called the seal of God. And what they have in it is the eye of Ra. Let me focus on it again. And it's commonly known as the eye of Ra, right? But it's actually called the Wadjet. All right, and let me show you something real quick. This was celebrated. I believe it's called the coming forth of a jet. It's either the coming forth or the going forth. All right, but it was celebrated on December 25th. This is supposed to be Christ's birthday, and this coming forth of a jet. This is long before Jesus Christ was born. All right, so J-E-T. I actually believe it's called the going forth of a jet. You can actually check that out. And my phone is about to die. Here it is right here. It's called the going forth. Matter of fact, look, I don't even got to click on that. Look, it says the going forth of the jet was celebrated on December 25th with chants and songs, along with the powerful goddess and all this other stuff. So we know that before the people were held in captivity in Egypt, they were already celebrating the going forth of this eye that they, Illuminati, Masons, whatever you want to call them, I'll have another video on that, seem to call God. So let me cut this off since this is dying, right? So somehow they have tricked the world. See, Jesus in Revelation, it says that when he returns, he's going to come to fix all things, because the devil has already led the world astray. So people already has this false belief, these traditional ways, and all of these things that they believe to be concrete and true, but they've been led astray since the beginning. And I'm going to show you what's hidden on this back of the dollar bill. Look at these letters. There's these letters, and then there's these letters, and I'm going to write them out. You have, let me look at it as I write it, TIS. Then you have Nuis Seclorum, Nuis Ordo Seclorum, and all right, and we're going to count these letters. This is on the right and this is on the left, And what we have over here is this right here. And then the second word is, and we're going to count these letters, right? I knew it. This is a 6-letter word, right? 6 letters. This is 7 letters. This right here is 5 letters. Novus. Excuse my writing. This is 4. This is 8. Notice 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is 4. We're going to exclude one of these words, this, because this is the order. This word means order. All right, there's an order that these words must align up to. And I'm going to show you right here. Remember 13. There's 13 steps. There's 13 steps on this pyramid. There's 13 stars. There's 13 this, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, right? So look. These words actually in Latin don't mean a dang thing. Alright? They completely made this up. Nobody even speaks that language anymore. We're going to add them after we took this out. We're going to come over here. We're going to add them. Okay, this is a 5-letter word. This is an 8-letter word. Alright? So plus. Easy. 6 and 7, 13. 5 and 8, 13. We're going to come down here. We're going to take this plus this, and this is 9 plus 4, 13. How many sides to a pyramid? There's 3. A pyramid has 3 faces. There's 13 steps on the pyramid that's on the back of a dollar bill. So 13 times 3, same thing you have right here, right? Now what it does is it's a particular order, and I'm not going to put that up there, but it creates what is called a magic word square. And there's the Keys of Solomon. They use something similar to it. I have a photo on there. Word square. And what they do is they arrange these words in a certain order, and it's supposed to give them some sort of magic powers and all this other crap like that. And anyway, it's a magic word square, right? And actually I can't do it, but you know, it's some stuff behind this symbol on the back of a dollar bill. There's actually some stuff hitting on here too, which I have on here, but this would be for another video, and I'm gonna have to rotate.